two Rottweilers got into our farm and they killed my cat. I'm still processing it. She was with me 8 years. For me, it was like in Harry Potter when Voldemort hid part of his soul in objects. She was my Horcrux, and she kept part of my soul safe. Feels like I'm missing a piece of myself now. I shared a video saying she was the love of my life. I filmed a whole series to trap the bully, a wild cat that was hurting her, and I tried so hard to protect her. Paradise.